Hello everyone, it's Paul again. How are you guys doing? So today we have an unboxing. I very rarely do unboxings, but we have one for today. So let's find out what it is that we're going to be unboxing. Here we go. Here's the box that it was shipped in. And as you can see down here, let's look. I'm going to get this out. Okay, can I get this out? And I'll push this box out of the way. Bye box. It's a DJI Mini 3. Not the Pro, but the Mini 3. Before we open this and find out what's inside this box, I want you to know that I did cut the plastic here, the tape here. I haven't seen what's inside the box yet. This is one that comes from Best Buy. It's been inspected. This is not brand new. This is refurbished. So I didn't see that many videos on refurbished DJI Mini 3s. So that's why I decided to make this unboxing, so that you find out what comes in a refurbished box and from Best Buy, because I didn't see any videos on that. First, let me show you. We're staying in a little bedroom at my mother-in-law's home here in Ohio. We're home for Christmas. We're home from Switzerland, and we're just here to stay a couple of weeks. And so that's what we're saying. Okay? All right. So now let's find out what's in here. Remember, I took this knife, and I told you, and I cut this tape here. So if there's any more cutting to do, I'll use the knife. All right. So now you know why we're in a different setting than in Switzerland. Okay, we'll open this up. Oh, boy. There it is. Now, it's not in a bag. Do you understand? It's not in a bag because this is refurbished. It comes from Best Buy. This is not the original packing. Yes, it's the original box. I believe it is the original box. It looks just like it. So let's find out what it looks like, okay? All right, let's take this out. So what do we have here? We have the Mini 3, DJI Mini 3. That's not Mavic, it's just Mini. And we're looking around. I don't see any scratches. This is the first look. I don't see any blemishes. I don't see any discoloration. We see, of course, it has the gimbal cover. Everything looks good. Let's look at the back. There's where we put the SD card, mini SD card, and then we have the USB-C. And I think you can charge from there as well as get data from your card there. Now, why is this thing so special? Let's turn this over. I think I saw it here. Let's turn this over in my hand. I'm using one hand to film and the other hand to, okay, let's push these out of the way here. And we're going to zoom into here. This is a drone that is less than 250 grams, which means it doesn't have to be registered. All the Mini products, and DJI is not the only company that makes these small drones under 250 grams. But I guess it's seen as a toy when it's less than 250 grams. So it doesn't have to be registered. I still have to follow the normal drone regulations. Okay, that we will do. Of course, we always do. But it doesn't have to be registered. Okay, so there we have the drone. What's this next thing? So we're going to use this whole thing. Actually, I'm just going to use the side here. Take this out. And here we have the controller. Now, I wanted to get this controller. This controller, to me, is just as important as the drone. Why? Because I don't need my phone. I don't need to connect the phone to this. I can see everything I need to see. The telemetry or whatever information I need from the drone is right here on this screen. Now, there's another controller. Let's look around at this controller here. We see the camera button here. We see video here. We see the controllers here for the this here for the gimbal, and on the back we have the programmable buttons C1 and C2, and then here we have the controlling knobs right there. That's where they fit. Okay. Wow. I think there's a vent here. That black is a vent. And at the bottom, we have another USB-C, and I think that's where we can actually charge this, right? We can charge it. And then there's a micro SD slot here. And I think that's for recording the screen on here, recording the screen. So you don't need any software for that. So this is the controller. Wow, it feels really good in my hand. And yeah, this is a different setup for the knobs here, the thumb knobs. Huh, very different. But it feels great. It's not too heavy. It has a wonderful battery in here. Everything is really clean. So I'm happy about that. Okay, let's set that off to the side. And let's see what this is all about. And I'm going to actually make a prediction that this is where the cables are. Okay? So let's open this up, okay? I need 2 hands for that. Yeah, so we've moved the box out of the way, and we're just dumping this box here. The big box, I mean, we left out of the way. And I see in here that there is a cable. I'm going to try to get this out with 1 hand. Let's see if I can do it under my shoulder there. And there is a cable here. It's a USB cable. Yes, USB-C. That can go to charge. That can work for charging this, of course, the controller, or it can also charge the drone. So that's our charging cable. You understand? There's no charging block. We're just using USB-C. Oh, what else do we have here? Oh, yeah, these are extra props for the drone. Okay, these are extra props. And in a minute, I'm going to show you some other things. I just bought 2 accessories that I bought for this drone, even before it came. Here we have a screwdriver. I don't know if you can see it in there. A screwdriver. What does that do? It takes the screws off here, and I'm going to try to get to the light here. The screws off for the props. You see how there's a Phillips, very small Phillips there? Okay, so that's what that is for. Now, let's talk about a couple accessories that I bought on my own other than the drone here. Let's talk about that, and we'll lay them out on the bed here. The first thing, how am I going to carry this? You know, I'm not going to use a plastic bag or anything like that. So I bought a case. And this is the case for it. So the drone goes here, and then the controller goes here. Let's see if the controller... Oh, you know what? You see this insert here? I don't know if you can see. You see this insert here, this foam insert? We're taking that out. Where did I get this? I got this on Amazon. So there's where the controller goes. Okay? Now let's see how this drone is going to fit in here. Now you have to be specific when you're looking for a drone case, because they have different shapes for different drones. I'm sure this will fit a Mini Pro, a DJI Mini Pro. I'm not sure if it'll fit, Mini 3 Pro. I'm not sure if it will fit a Mini 4 Pro. There might be some more differences in the shape of the body, okay? The form of the drone. Okay, now what about what's happening up here? Well, I have a couple more accessories that I bought. And you know, I kind of research. After I order the drone online, I research to see what are the best accessories, because I did not get the Fly More combo. Let's turn this over, sorry. This is a variable ND filter from ND2 to ND32. I'm going to open this up in a second. It's variable. It's only one filter. But as you turn it, it can go from ND2, you see that, dash 32. So I don't need a whole set. Let's see if that works. I mean, it's from K&F Concept, and they're known for making really good photographic filters, lens filters. They're known for that. And the other accessory I bought is, if I don't like the way the props sound, I've got some master air screw props just for the DJI Mini. You see, as you can see, upgrade propellers, and I guess they're supposed to be quieter. That's why they say stealth. I got the red kind. I think they have 4 or 5 different colors. So those are some accessories that I bought just before the drone arrived. So this is the unboxing. Here's the box. Here's the box that I got from Best Buy. that the drone and the controller came in, and the props, extra props, and the cable, and also the screwdriver. So this is really my first major unboxing. Please tell me how I did, but first, we're not done. I told you I want to open this up. I do want to open this up. And let's see what's in there, okay? So I'm going to pause it for a second. I am so sorry. I was like a little kid, and I just kind of ripped open the box. I'm not going to be using the box, but I just kind of ripped it open. And this is what was inside. This is the case for the filter, ND filter. And I'm very excited about being an variable ND filter. It gets darker or lighter as you turn the knob. Let's see how that works, okay? So this is what it's like inside the case. I just opened the case up. And as you can see, there's different stops. Stop 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 5. This would be 2. This would be, number 2 would be 4. Number 3 would be 8. 16 would be 4. And 32 would be 5. ND filter variables. Okay? So I'm very excited about that. That's very nice. So guys, tell me what you think about this unboxing, and comment. That's the most important thing. Comment. And then, of course, if you want to subscribe or you want to hit the like button, go ahead and do that. All right? Thank you very much. All right. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.